Hey guys, and welcome to a new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix and get yourself ChatGPT Plus version without actually buying the subscription. So here's what you have to do. If your ChatGPT is at capacity right now and is not working, this is what you have to do. You're going to go to Google and say platform OpenAI. Very simple, super simple. Click on the first thing and ta-da, you're gonna be prompted in here. Now, here's the thing guys, this will require you to have an account. If you already have an account with ChatGPT, then all you have to do is to log in with that account. And if you don't, you just need to sign up. Like it's a normal sign up form with your email, and then you're just gonna be sent into this same page that I am. Once you are here, all you have to do is to go to Playground. You have pressed on the playground and you're going to be prompted into the playground. So here we're going to pick chat. We're going to go to the mode, complete, and we're going to press on chat. And this guys is ChatGPT. However, the engine running behind here, ChatGPT 3.5 Turbo, is the ChatGPT Plus engine. So here you are inside of a ChatGPT that is actually ChatGPT Plus. So a few things you have to keep in mind when you are playing around compared to the ChatGPT UI and platform. In the raw model, which is the playground, you don't have the ability to surpass an amount of tokens. So in our case, it's 4,000 tokens. So once you surpass that amount of tokens, the AI will lose memory and context. This is the downfall of going in the behind here. So keep that in mind. But besides that, here's how it works. You are a helpful assistant. This is what we set the AI to be. The system prompt is basically what you're telling it to be. Good. Now that we got over that, temperature. Temperature controls randomness. The lower you go, the more deterministic and factual answers are going to be. The higher you go, well, the answers are going to become really creative and, well, less factual. Now, I prefer to keep this on 0 when I'm doing I prefer to have it on 0 most of the times because it's factual and accurate rather than going to a creative state. Here's the maximum length, how many tokens you want the AI to give you, like from an answer. So here you can be very great. You can set somewhere around 1.9. This is going to be totally fine. This is something that you have to keep on 1. It's totally fine. Frequency penalty and presence penalty are two different factors that we don't really care in our situation. These are for other purposes. Now, we have access to ChatGPT Plus right now. This is ChatGPT Plus in your own OpenAI account. So I can come here and say, hey, hello, how can I assist you today? Add another message. Can you tell me how to write an essay properly, for example? Sure, I'll be happy to help you. Here are, and it's the same exact answers from ChatGPT, with the fact that you can change it. Like if you want here, you can just press cancel. You can delete everything by just pressing this minus, or you can just refresh the page, whichever is easier to you. But whenever you refresh the page, you have to redo the settings. So don't forget temperature 0, maximum length as much as you want, and don't bother with anything else that's in here. This is for a more advanced topic. Now, your name is Genius. You are an AI programming assistant. You will help and debug code while coding alone. Now, you can test this by going, hey, hello, I can assist you with your coding today. So now the AI in its little, well, let's call it brain, it understands that it's an AI called Genius and it does programming. So who are you? For example, my name is Genius and I'm an AI programming assistant. I'm here to help you with your coding and debugging needs. And very simple, guys. Now, just please remember the token limit and the amount of memory this has. Like as long as your messages are not super long or very long, you can make this and turn this into everything you basically do with ChatGPT or ChatGPT Plus. So This is it, guys. This is the trick and hack that you can do when ChatGPT is down, or even if you want to access ChatGPT Plus for free. I mean, not exactly for free. You are charged per usage. If you go to pricing, I'm going to show you chat. There you go. You are charged 0.02 per 1,000 tokens, where 1,000 tokens is approximately 750 words. So to do the math, I am just going to down on the calculator for you guys, and I'm gonna do 0, 0, 0, 2, 2 not 5, multiplied with, let's say we already chatted for around 10,000 words, and this will be, guys, like around $2. Yeah, this is not $20, this is $2. So keep that in mind. So 10,000, sorry, that's like $2 per 10,000 tokens, which is around 7.5 thousand words. So you understand how this works. You can do the math yourself and you can see how this works. Of course, there are the other models that the AI has, and etc. Well, the ChatGPT 3.5 Turbo is currently the cheapest one, and it's pretty powerful. So good luck with that, guys. This is it. I really hope you enjoyed and learned something. Please press the like if you enjoyed it and if you liked the video, and of course if it helped you, and see you in the next video.